Okay, hello everyone, my name is George. Today I'm going to tell you a story by the color domino. Sorry, it is story domino and okay, here we go. He is my little brother and she is my little sister. Today is their birthday, their own birthday, because they born in the same day. And I prepared a gift for them. You know, what's that in it? Candy. The candy in the box, in the gift box, but they don't like it. So we plan to go camping. So what a lovely day.
Okay, here's my story about the story Dominoes. Today is a sunny day, so I like to do something. I like to play football, but suddenly it rains. So I want to go somewhere to take a shower. But here is a huge dog, so I'm so scared. And I run away, but I stepped on food. So sad. So I went home and take shower. But suddenly I got cold. What bad day. It's a spider.
Yeah, I know it. Okay, well, so I feel really strange of it.
Baby is hungry.
Yes, I think so. So maybe we can having the bread by some fork.
And baby wants some candy.
I see. Even some pasta. How about the water? After the pasta.
Okay. Yes, you're me.
And I think he, right? Or she.
Oh.
Today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Okay, happy birthday to you. So I get a car
Oh, really?
for present.
Wow, fantastic! Is it a toy car or real car? Okay, then if I have a real car,